Hello everyone, welcome to Top Market Reviews. Today we are here with the final review of Affiliate Millionaire. If you haven't watched my previous reviews, I'll link it in the description. Introducing Affiliate Millionaire. If you finally wanted the ultimate guide written by a total non-guru, just a regular guy who cracked the affiliate marketing code, then Affiliate Millionaire could be just what you've been waiting for. Pre-warm-up, Affiliate Millionaire Mindset. Number 1 most important: know your numbers. Scale you must know, otherwise you'll struggle to ever make a profit. The 40-20-20 diversification rule. I always use this to run my own affiliate campaigns. Once I applied this method, I always have constant winning campaigns coming in. How to understand the difference between high-risk and low-risk campaigns and what works the best for you. Module 1 Research. Picking your hot proven offer. Finding the hottest niches verticals. How to legally spy actual hot offers affiliates are running. Which trusted affiliate networks have the highest payouts, best conversions, and have paid out on time for over 10 years on row. How to earn up to $203 commission selecting the best funnels. The Holy Grail list offers playbook. Save 100 single quote hours of your time by going straight these proven offers. Module 2 Creating the perfect lander. The 3 types of landers that convert like crazy and you can run compliantly. The exact 4 questions that boosted our click-through rate by 9% and were responsible for $37,956 in profit in 1 week. Blog-style lander, which results in 400% cheaper click rates that Facebook love. The splash page, which results in $1.73 EPS that nobody else uses. Module 3 Funnel-tastic plus power tracking. Creating the optimal email follow-up sequence that has generated $500 to $1,000 a day. Installing the pixels the right way to accurately track. How to place your pixel with Clickbank's new system to skyrocket conversion rates. The hidden golden standard of ad tracker that cost pennies on the dollar, that shows the winning 237% profitable campaigns. How to work with vendors to get the ultimate lookalike audiences that some can get 1,000. Module 4 Targeting plus campaign setup. Targeting. Add a single quote Z structure. Campaign structure. Audience targeting. The perfect testing formula and daily ad spend. How to warm your ad account up using the German handshake method, which results in penny clicks on FB. Bonus: the untapped hidden traffic source for affiliate marketing. Module 5 The perfect ad copy and creatives. The secret outlets for the hottest converting images to use in your ad for as little as $5. Got a smartphone? How to create the ultimate ad in your own house for a free regular house items that everyone has. Screw expensive designers. Once you discovered this formula, you're never getting ripped off ever again. The double conversion ad. How to change the angles of your ad to increase conversions by over 50%. How to use the number 1 FB ad copywriters in the business, then repurpose the ad to generate 5 to 10x variations. Module 6 Launching the campaign. What is the best time to turn your campaign on, or it will burn your budget and leave you penniless? How to use the secret tracker to find out when to launch your campaign and get the best conversion. Day parting software. Lifetime budget or daily budget? Which wins? Find out the real answer. What is the optimal daily budget and # of days for testing a campaign to find the winner and cut the losers? Module 7 Optimize and scale. How to study your winning campaign and scale fast using the SHAF quickfire method. Seeing the best time of days to run your ads and then leave them on autopilot. Moving winners into campaign budget optimization to scale fast. When and how to move to manual bidding to ensure you are getting targets of 200 to 300% ROI. How to use the number 1 FB ad copywriters in the business, then repurpose the ad to generate 5 to 10x variations. It can literally take one winning ad in one lander. Check this $185,395.23 winning page. Imagine learning from a newbie to super affiliate who generated $1,493,482.70 affiliate commissions in Clickbank in 1 year. At last, you can finally get your hands on the complete A to Z Affiliate Millionaire Complete Guide in the next 60 seconds. Which has been created by a beginner laid out in step-by-step fashion. I'm nothing special. I don't have any fancy university degrees. Just a regular 34-year-old guy who figured it out. I don't want to be some big fancy speaker on stage. And I'm definitely not some slimy guru. When you join Affiliate Millionaire today, we'll even throw on the quick start bonuses. The $186K in 6 weeks, winning at a landing page. Bonus to the Holy Grail, a list offers playbook. Save 100 single quote hours of your time by promoting these top converting offers plus higher commission payouts. Use our secret little black book so you pick the offer you want to promote fast. Plus we have even negotiated with some vendors to give you a commission bump for being part of the Affiliate Millionaire Club. Bonus 3, how to save your FB accounts and get them back that 99% of affiliates have no clue about. Use our secret video about how we've got our ad account back by following this simple 3-part process. It's worked so many times for us. Bonus number 4, Affiliate Millionaire Club. Get access to our private group where you can ask questions with ourselves, other members. My life totally changed when I started generating affiliate marketing days like this. These are real results. Yes. Thomas earned $1,493,482 in this year, selling super simple Clickbank products. Try Affiliate Millionaire today. You're even covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Look, we want you to be 100% thrilled with your Affiliate Millionaire investment and totally satisfied. If you invest in the product and prove you have at least tried to implement part of the course, just show us you at least created an ad and drove traffic to a landing page. If it still isn't for you, we will cheerfully refund every penny you've invested. We can't make it any more fair than that. Download Affiliate Millionaire instantly today from the link given in the description. Here's what you get inside the package. Module 1, Research, picking your hot proven offer. Module 2, Creating the perfect lender. Module 3, Funnel Tasting plus Power Tracking. Module 4, Ad Targeting plus Campaign Setup. Module 5, Creating Perfect Ad Copy and Creatives. Module 6, Launching the Campaign. Module 7, Optimize and Scale. And get bonuses. Bonus number 1, the $185K in 7 days, winning ad lander. Bonus number 2, the Holy Grail, a list offers playbook. Save 100 single quote hours of your time by going to these straight proven offers. Bonus number 3, how to save your FB accounts and get them back that 99% of affiliates have no clue about. Bonus number 4, Affiliate Millionaire Club. Get access to our private group where you can ask questions with ourselves, other members. Get Affiliate Millionaire today just for $39. Believe it or not, Tom really went from a newbie to a millionaire in just 1 year. Do you want to be a part of his journey too? Then check out the link given in description. Also, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button so that I can come up with more wonderful reviews in the next videos.